After spending 5 successful years on this platform and then scaling up multiple YouTube channels, I've come to realize that the algorithm doesn't really hate any single person out there. We actually don't understand what the algorithm wants, and that's why in this video I'm going to break down what exactly the YouTube algorithm actually means. And when we talk of the YouTube algorithm, it's broken into 3 main sections. The first is the homepage algorithm. Now this decides what exactly you see on your home page, and the second one is basically the search algorithm. Now this decides what you see whenever you're searching a particular phrase on YouTube. And finally we have the recommendation algorithm, or known as the suggestion algorithm. This actually decides what exactly YouTube suggests to creators or other people who actually come to the platform to actually watch videos. Now first, let's talk about the YouTube search algorithm. Now, before, when we talk of the YouTube search algorithm, it basically means that what you need to match your keywords to what people actually search. But the honest truth is that currently YouTube no longer cares about the keyword people actually type in whenever they are searching for a video on their platform anymore. What YouTube basically look at for is simply when someone's searching, for example, if someone's searching for how to get more views on YouTube. Now, you might use this exact same phrase on your video title, and the truth is that what YouTube is not actually going to recommend this your video. And this is not because YouTube actually hates you, that's why it's not recommending your video. The truth is that what YouTube actually look at historical data before recommending the video that this person actually wants. So for example, let me say you titled your video how to get more views on YouTube, and then someone actually search for that exact phrase, how to get more views on YouTube. Now instead of YouTube recommending your video to this person, YouTube goes into their database and then look at videos that are around this particular topic, but then actually satisfy their audience. Now when we talk of satisfying their audience, YouTube look at videos that actually got a lot of watch time, meaning that what videos that people who search for this particular phrase have actually watched, and how long they actually watch these videos before they quit. And another thing is that YouTube take a look at the like and comments that similar videos actually got in their database. So now basically the YouTube search algorithm no longer just look at the exact keywords anymore, but it considers their historical data of those particular videos. Now next up is basically the YouTube recommendation algorithm. Now the truth is that what YouTube doesn't actually recommend good videos. Now here's it, YouTube don't recommend videos just because they are good. YouTube actually recommend videos that create chain reaction. Now here's what we actually mean by chain reaction when it comes to understand the YouTube recommendation algorithm. Now the first step is basically the initial test. Now the initial test is the first whereby you upload your video. So when you upload your video to YouTube, YouTube doesn't just take this your video and they show it to their whole broad audience. No, YouTube will actually show this video to a very small amount of audience that watch similar videos to that particular video you just uploaded. Like for example, here's my new YouTube channel with very low amount of audience, and I'm not even sure I currently have any audience right now if you're watching this video within the first 3 days of me uploading it. But now here's YouTube will actually show this video to a very small amount of people. Now once YouTube shows this video to them, the next thing is basically YouTube will actually take a look at the performance test. Now the performance test is basically YouTube wants to see if at least the people they show this video to, majority of them watch the video and then watch at least 60% plus of that particular video it just recommended to them. Now if people watch 60% plus of the video, then YouTube will actually expand the reach of that video, and then maybe if they showed it to 10 people before, now they will expand to about 15 to 17 extra people to see how it will actually perform. Now if those new set of people YouTube actually recommend that video to also start engaging with the video, which actually creates what we call the engagement chain, then YouTube will actually see that okay, people, the first set of people I gave this video to, majority of them watched it and then they watched it for a long time. Then I expanded it a little bit. Now this new audience are actually engaging with the video, which creates an engagement chain. So basically means that what people are interested in this video. Now YouTube will then take that particular video that is performing well among those small audience, and then they'll push it to the whole ocean, and then that's how I see that most videos actually blow up. So now this moves us to the big question: how exactly do you get to train your YouTube algorithm to actually understand what your channel is about, and so that they can recommend your videos to the right people? Now here's how you actually train the YouTube algorithm. The first thing is basically you define your video chain. Now what we mean by defining your video chain is simply the next 5 videos you want to upload on your YouTube channel, make sure they all actually follow the same pattern. Like they should sound alike, look alike, and then tell similar story. Like for example, take a look at this channel. The first video I uploaded says that what YouTube, how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is basically about YouTube growth for beginners. And my second video here is talking about getting to understand the YouTube algorithm, which means that what I'm exposing the YouTube algorithm. This also another thing that is related to YouTube growth as well. So if I'm able to consistently upload a lot of videos within this particular pattern, within a short period of time, a month or two time, YouTube actually blow up the channel. Why? Because they can easily understand what exactly I'm referring to, so they will give the channel to the right people as well. And the second thing to actually train your YouTube algorithm is basically you need to know your CTR. Now CTR basically stands for click-through rate. And what determines your click-through rate on YouTube is basically the quality of your YouTube titles and the quality of your YouTube video thumbnails. Now some people actually use great titles but poor thumbnails, and great title and poor thumbnails doesn't work together. Now the third thing you need to do to actually train your algorithm is basically build a viewers session. Now what viewer session basically means is simply you create connected videos. Now you need to make sure that the particular video your audience are watching is actually related to another video on your channel. So by the end of that particular video, you can tell them to go watch that particular video as well. And now let's talk about some of the greatest myths in the YouTube industry. A lot of people come up with this myth that what the YouTube algorithm changed, that's why my channel is not growing, this and that. The truth is that what the YouTube algorithm did not change. What actually changed is your audience behavior. Now, as a content creator, one thing you need to understand how your audience actually behaves. You need to know when they come online, when they are active on YouTube and send your videos live during that period, know when they are off YouTube, and get to understand their behaviors in general. Take a look at the other sort of content they are watching, who exactly your audience are. So one thing you need to do as a content creator is simply take your time to understand your audience. The truth is that the YouTube algorithm can never change. It remains the same. It's your audience behaviors that actually change. Like there was a time whereby there were no short videos, and when there were no short videos, people were highly addicted to watching long videos. True or false? So basically, the algorithm did not change. Now they are short videos, so people now prefer short videos for quick tips. And the truth is that what do you think is the algorithm that changed? Obviously not. It's the people that got addicted to short videos and not the algorithm. The algorithm did nothing. And the next is basically people say post every day to actually grow faster. The truth is that what posting every day will literally kill you. So if you really want to grow faster, focus on consistency and not posting every single day. Now here's the difference between consistency and posting every day. Someone who posts consistently knows that what, okay, for example, on this channel, I make sure that I post videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays, and I need to make sure that what I hold up to these 2 days, Tuesday, Saturday, and no day else. Now with this, I'm actually being consistent. Now for someone who posts every single day, maybe you post Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and every single day you keep on floating videos around, the truth is that what you will run out of quality when it comes to your content. You wouldn't have enough time to create high quality content because no time to make research, no time to do proper editing, no time to actually look at what exactly your audience actually want. Because when it comes to content creation, it's not about creating the content, it's about creating what they actually want, because they decide if your videos perform or not. So basically, I will tell you, don't force yourself to post every single day, but make sure that what you are pick few days, focus on those few days, take out enough time, create quality videos, and then live your life. Content creation is not something to kill yourself about. It's basically for you to actually do what you want to do and how you actually feel. So yeah guys, this is basically every single thing you need to understand about the YouTube algorithm, and there's no other great thing that you need to know. Once you understand this and you put them into account when creating your next content, well, you actually blow in no single time. So basically, if you're a new content creator, don't forget to watch this video showing at the side right now to actually go learn how you can actually get your first 1,000 subscribers. It's easy. Now, but this channel is not at 1,000 subscribers yet. I don't know when you're watching this video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also drop a comment as well and tell me which of these tips you actually know before, or which of them actually sound new in your ear. And if you have a video that you want to request, also do it to let me know that in the comment section. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.